Turn your dreams from invisible into visible. Step 1. Define your dream in detail. The only limit is the extent of your ability to define what you desire in detail. The secret to unleashing your power is setting goals. Exciting goals that inspire you. Be it personal or business goals. For street smart business skills. Join Learnaccountingfast.com now. There are no excuses. Make 3 decisions now. 3 decisions that will change your life now. 1 decision to change your health. 1 decision to change your career. 1 decision to change your relationships. Now begin to take action on them. Join Learnaccountingfast.com now.
What's your biggest fear around money? 1. Your friends think you're not so smart. 2. You won't be successful with money. 3. You won't be financially successful in your life. 4. You won't live up to your parents' expectations. Simply comment below. Fall in love with your work. Create a work ethic that ensures you success. Hard work and effort will beat talent 99% of the time. Don't look for shortcuts. Don't make excuses. Put in the work to ensure your success. Join Learnaccountingfast.com now. What is financial education? Financial literacy is knowing why and what action to take. Business intelligence is knowing where and how to take action. Street smart business skills is to know who and when to take action. For financial education, join Learn Accounting Fast.